Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a shape into an Excel cell. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert a shape into cell. You can resize your cell. Now I am resize my cell. Now I am insert shape into this shape cell. Go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am select the rounded rectangle corner. Then press and hold the Alt on our keyboard and draw the shape to this cell. We can see we draw a shape into Excel cell very easily. You can change the color to this shape. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu and select the shape fill. You can change the color. Otherwise you can make the outline none. You can resize the cell and automatically the shape is resized. You can add another shape to another cell. Go to the insert menu, select shape drop down menu. Now I am select the decagon, then draw the decagon, press alter and hold the alter on our keyboard. You can resize the cell, automatically the decagon is resized. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.